What's up everybody, it's Alex, the founder and CEO at Motoroso.com, and in this video we are going to be taking a close-up look as well as sound recordings of the suite of AW tuning exhaust systems for the 15 to 17 Mustang GT. And these are not going on just any Mustang GT, these are going on our Roush Phase 2 Supercharged 730 horsepower Mustang GT. So if you've got a blown 5-liter, this is going to really help you understand what this exhaust system is going to sound like. Now, we've put out a few other AWE exhaust videos lately because we're obsessed with the products these guys are putting out. They put so much quality into these products and they spend the extra time to make sure they get that signature AWE tone from their exhaust, as well as no drone thanks to the 180 technology. And at a time when the world is struggling with supply chain issues, getting raw materials, and international trade relations are at the worst they've been in a very long time, this is a company that manufactures all their products in the United States using US sourced materials. And I think that matters quite a lot. AWE makes these exhaust systems for the 15 to 17 Mustang GT in two different key configurations, the Touring Edition and the Track Edition. Now we're going to do sound recording, so you get to hear both of these, but what you can expect from the Touring Edition is a little bit more control over the overall sound. It's going to sound mean, but tight and throaty. But then you're going to have the Track Edition, which is going to unleash all the fury of hell, but without the hellish sound of drone. The entire system is constructed using full 3-inch tubing on both sides all the way back, and the tubing is made from T304 stainless steel that is 0.065 inches thick. That's some of the highest quality materials that you can ask for out of an exhaust system. Now, of course, the system starts right behind the catalytic converters and goes straight into an H-pipe. Now, you've probably heard of X-pipe or H-pipe, and if you're not familiar with the difference, really with an X-pipe, what you're going to get is a higher pitch sound that can sometimes be more exotic sounding per se, but it can also introduce rasp. Well, with an H-pipe, you tend to get a little bit more deep and throaty sounds, more like a muscle car, and that muscle car sound is definitely what AWE tuning has been going for with how they tune the sound of this exhaust. That's what you're going to get out of this H-pipe. From the H-pipe, the exhaust is going to flow into these dual pipes that feature dual resonators. And those resonators are key in controlling rasp and drone. From there, the exhaust is going to flow down into these pipes that features dual mufflers, and these have the 180 technology, which bounces the errant sounds off of each other, helping to cancel out that drone even further, and then directly into these dual 4-inch tips, which can be had in either polished or diamond black. Now, on the Track Edition of the exhaust, you will not be featuring these two rear mufflers. It's simply going to be straight pipes that come off of the resonators straight to the tips. Now, you can buy this exhaust in a Track Edition only, or you can buy this Touring Edition exhaust and then buy the Touring to Track conversion pipe for only an additional $200. Keep that on the shelf, and then you've got both exhaust systems at your disposal, and you can swap them out whenever you feel like changing the sound of your Mustang. As usual, we're going to put links to all these products in the description of this video, and I'll put a link to this Touring Edition with the black tips right here. That'll take you over to Motoroso.com, and you can reach us on live chat there, or you can call us anytime toll-free at 833-MOTOROSO, and we'd love to help. Now, let's hear how both of these exhaust configurations sound on our Roush Supercharged GT. All right, thanks for watching. We hope you found this video helpful. If you'd like to purchase this exhaust system or any variation of it, we put links to everything in the description. And again, I'll put the link to this exact version right here. Now, if you're pushing power, it's important to keep your Mustang cool. So if you'd like to see all the Mishimoto cooling mods we did on our Mustang GT, check out that video right here and subscribe to our channel for all our great videos. Thanks for watching.